The artificial intelligence race has revealed an unexpected truth, and that is there is more than one way to win. While Microsoft grabbed headlines with its partnership strategy, Google quietly perfected a different approach. Now, nearly 3 years after ChatGPT sparked the AI revolution, both the tech giants are reporting impressive gains. But they got there by taking very opposite routes. Let's first talk about the partnership model, which was Microsoft's first track. When ChatGPT launched in November of 2022, Microsoft seized the moment. Through an exclusive partnership with OpenAI, that's the creator of ChatGPT, Microsoft transformed itself from a maker of ubiquitous, worthy, and dull business software into AI's hottest player. The strategy was simple: let specialists do what they do best. Part of this approach, which most of the tech industry has adopted now, companies divide responsibilities. Chip makers like NVIDIA design the processors, AI labs like OpenAI and Anthropic build the cutting edge models, cloud providers like Microsoft and Amazon host everything and make it available for the customers. Everyone cooperates where beneficial and competes where it's necessary. Next, let's discuss the all in one model, which has been the Google's integrated approach. Google stands alone amongst the tech giants in choosing vertical integration. The company designs its own processors, called the TPUs, tensor processing units, builds its own AI models through the Google DeepMind, and uses both to power its own products from search to YouTube. This do-it-yourself strategy initially seemed like a disadvantage. Critics labeled Google as an AI laggard, noting that the company appeared slow to respond despite pioneering much of the underlying technology. After all, Google researchers published a foundational paper in 2017 that led directly to ChatGPT, and the company had its own chatbot ready but held back from releasing it. The hesitation stemmed from the large organization's natural caution, particularly when the new technology might disrupt its highly profitable search business. But those concerns have proved unfounded.